Good morning, people. Today we have a very special guest. She's very worried because her lovers act a little strange after sex. She's here with us today to tell us about her problem. Please welcome the Queen Bee. Hello, Dr. Tatiana. Good morning, Queen Bee. I know you are having a rough time with your lovers. Please tell us, what is your problem? Well, yes, I have been very worried lately. You see, all my lovers, they leave their genitals inside me and then drop dead. I don't know if it is normal, I don't know if it is my fault. I have been able to take out some of the genitals they leave inside me. I have them here with me. Do you want to see? Darling, no, that is not necessary. I have an answer for you, and this is not your fault. It is normal for your lovers to end their lives with an explosion. You see, when a male honeybee reaches climax, he explodes, and his genitals rip from his body with a loud snap. Don't be afraid. This explosion has a purpose. Think of your lovers as love kamikazes. By leaving their genitals inside you, they block you up so no other male is able to mate with you. Their genitals are some kind of honeybee chastity belt. But I am the queen bee. That is not a good way to treat the queen. Who do they think they are? Leaving their genitals inside me? That is not only gross, but very creepy. Sure, my queen, that is not a proper way to treat you, but I am afraid sex is a battle between sexes. First, you will need to understand this from a male's point of view. A young queen spends a few days mating before going off to start a nest. After that, you will never bother with sex again because you will be too busy having over 500,000 baby bees. So chances of mating with you are small. Do you agree? Yeah, you're right. I have no time for sex after that. Only males who can catch you are able to mate with you. The competition is fierce. You probably won't mate more than 20 times, so over 23,000 males will die virgins. The male that is able to mate with you will most likely never mate again, so exploding does not look so bad after all. By blocking you up, he prevents any other male from fertilizing your eggs, so he assures his genes will be passed to the next generation. I see, this does not look so bad after all. Besides, males are good for nothing, useless bastards. But the problem is, you do better if you mate with several males. It is a little complicated. Male honeybees hatch from unfertilized eggs, females from fertilized eggs. Bees have a sex-determining gene that can mess up this arrangement. If a queen bee mates with a male who has the same version of this gene, half her fertilized eggs will hatch out sterile, useless sons. In the other hand, if the queen bee mates with several males, any male that matches the queen bee's sex-determining gene would fertilize a smaller portion of her eggs, which means that only a smaller number of eggs would become good-for-nothing sterile sons. But how can I mate with more than one male if the first one blocks me up? Great question. Males have evolved a way to remove this chastity belt. You see, males have a hairy structure on the tip of your penis. This breaks the genitalia of your previous lover. Queens have as well evolved to remove the plug themselves. That is why you are able to have all those penises in your purse today. Am I the only animal that has this happen to them? Is this normal? No, dear. This happens to many animals such as rats, worms, snakes, spiders, butterflies, fruit flies, guinea pigs, and many more. However, they use a little more traditional plugs such as glutes rather than their own penises. In this sex battle, male evolved to control and female to resist, which is why not all chastity belts are as effective. Okay, I think I get it now. Males are just trying to fertilize more eggs to pass on their genes to the next generation. It is like a love sacrifice thing. But this plug is not good for me because I want to have a lot of hardworking daughters and not good-for-nothing sterile sons. To avoid having only sons, I should mate with as many males as I can, right? I'm getting this whole sex being a battle thing. Thanks a lot, Dr. Tatiana. I have to go because I have a lot of sex to do. Well, now you know it. Take care and please stop collecting your lovers' penises. This was all. Thanks for watching.